welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a DIY decor item for your room. And for this you only need 3 items. Let's get right to it. The materials needed for this project is some stretchy cord, and if you don't have a stretchy cord at home, then you can use some string or yarn. And then some scissors, 4 long straws, and 3 short straws. And if you don't have any short straws at home, then you can just cut a regular straw in half. And at the end of this, hopefully you will have this form of a prism. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to teach you how to make one of these triangles. So what you need is your stretchy cord or your yarn, and make sure you're putting this stretchy cord or yarn through your regular size straw. And make sure your stretchy cord or yarn is still attached to its roll. Now add your second regular size straw. And everything is still attached to the roll. And now lastly, add your tiny size straw. And now that it's like that, you can put together your triangle and make sure your short straw is at the bottom. Like so. And then you're gonna want to tie it here. Four times you would want to tie it. Once. Twice. 2 more times. And this is just a regular knot you're making. 2, 3, last one, and a fourth one. And now that it's tied and pulled all the way, I'm going to get the scissors and I'm gonna cut it at the edge right here, but not too close to the knot. Now it's all the way tied and cut. Move that third around. Now that I have taught you how to make one of these triangles, repeat the same process with another set of straws. I have already pre-made 2 sets of straws and I have spray painted them gold. I think it's more aesthetic that way and I like this color better. And if you want to spray paint one of your triangles, you have to do it right after you're done making them and you're done knotting them. Now that you have both of your triangles, place them together like a diamond shape and get more of your stretchy cord or yarn and you can tie these 2 together. Like so. See how I am having both of these corners attached to each other, and knot this 3 or 4 times. Now that you have attached both of these together, then you can cut it just like you did before. Now that you've done that, you can fold it up together and get your stretchy cord or yarn and tie it 4 times at the top, just like you did on the bottom corner. Now that you've knotted it on this side, do that same process over here, but this one's a little bit harder. So after you've looped it one time around, get your scissors and cut it pretty far away so you can do that same thing. Now that you've looped it, you can tie. After you cut off the extra cord, you have your final product, and you can keep this however you want. You can have it like this, you could have it laying down, any way you like. It's your preference. And after that, I want to add twinkle lights in mine, so that's what I'm gonna do. If you guys want, you can add that too, or you can just have it plain like this. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed making that DIY decor item. And if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!